Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to enhance your photo with the Remini app. Just open the app and click on this Enhance button here. Then you will have to choose an image you would like to work with, tap on it and wait a few seconds. And now click on Enhance. So now we have to wait a bit and see what happens. We can move this thing here to see the before after images, and if you are not satisfied you can change the background blur or the colors and everything by clicking on it. For example, let's choose the colors. I'll click on colors under the image, wait a few seconds, and then we can choose the colors that we find the most ideal. Right, so not this one, not this one. Actually, I like the original one the best, the third one, which is the default for me. If you would like to have it as default, then you can click any of these, and if you prefer that color the best, you can see this button here and enable it. But I'll go with the original one and click on this check mark under the images. Okay, okay. And actually I like the picture this way, so I will just click on this downloading button. That's basically it. I hope it will be useful for you.